In this segment, we will cover the pre-installation setup. This will include collecting and downloading customer data, preliminary tasks that must be performed prior to installation, and installation site preparation. First, let's take a look at the data collection process and all the steps and information that make the installation of your material handling needs easier. All the following information should be input into the Microsoft Excel spreadsheets supplied by AutoCrib expressly for this purpose. Inventory selection. This process helps you identify what materials will be dispensed by the AutoCrib system. In creating this list of materials, it helps to identify those items that are high value, high usage, or operationally critical. Each EleVend dispensing station or crib can contain up to 24 bins, so placement of the items in specific bins is not critical at this point of the preparation, just the number of items needed in particular areas of your facility. When creating item names or descriptors, make sure you use a system of identifying, like numbered items. Try to avoid using manufacturer's part numbers only, as some suppliers may use similar numbers for different item types, and individual users may not know these numbers. The manual supplied with this system has excellent examples of standardized item descriptions. We recommend that you spend some time reviewing these pages and work up a set of standardized items that works for you and your facility. Taking the time to standardize your item names will save you countless hours later and make searchable system queries run much faster later on. Employee data. This data is used to set permissions on which employees have access to the remote dispensing stations and allow you to set the level of access each employee is allowed. The level of access for each employee may be best determined after a period of time has elapsed and some historical data has been collected. Examples of access permissions include work shift, monthly budgetary limits, employee item quantity limits, or limits set by job number or by item. If no access controls are input for an employee, then the employee will have unlimited 24-hour access to all stations and cribs. Vendor data is crucial, as this information is used throughout the AutoCrib system. If you have a vendor that supplies material to you, even if it's only one item, the vendor data must be supplied. The AutoCrib software requires that each item have a vendor listed so that reorders have all the complete information needed to expedite the ordering process. Data collection prompts or cost centers. There are a variety of fields you can program the AutoCrib system to prompt for when an item is selected from one of the dispensing machines. This can help you track your inventory usage on a case-by-case basis and allow you to make better purchasing decisions based on the collected data the prompts supply. Examples of these prompts can be department number, machine number, job or order number, part number, and reasons for use. All of this information can be programmed into the AutoCrib system, provided you input this information into the Excel spreadsheets. Once you have all the information collected for the above data fields, you can choose the correct packaging and bin configurations required for your EleVend system. Again, refer to the AutoCrib Operations Manual for very good examples of these data inputs, along with examples of standardized abbreviations for you to choose from while you collect all the data needed to place your AutoCrib system into service.